can feel it in the air. It's getting colder, but yet so warm.
Hello and welcome back to another video on Macorlee Travels, and it is day 2 here in Brussels for the Christmas markets. So our plan today is we're going to go over and see the Bubble Planet museum, immersive place. It looks like it's absolutely amazing. Then around the corner from that there's a little cat cafe, go for a bit of shopping, and I think we'll probably end the day with some more of the Christmas market stalls and the big wheel, because I really want to be up at the top when it's dark, seeing all of those lights across Brussels. I think it'd be so cool. So we're going to set off in a second. I shall catch you on the way.
Been thinking about you and me, another kind of chemistry. I got nothing on my Christmas list but you, but you. I love the snow and I love the scarves, the candles lighting the decade malls. But something's missing. I wonder what. This year give me something special. It doesn't cost a dime, but it's precious. Hopes that I won't forget it, then I won't forgive him, no. Been thinking about you and me, another kind of chemistry. I got nothing on my Christmas list but you, but you. About it, Santa. I won't forgive you for it, Santa. Won't you forget about it? Been thinking about you and me, another kind of chemistry. I got nothing on my Christmas list but you, but you. Been thinking about you and me, another kind of chemistry. I got nothing on my Christmas list but you, but you. Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love, there's always a way. And oh, this time of year, we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can outside. We gather around the fireplace, and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite.
And that is the end of the Bubble Museum experience. It was absolutely amazing, so cute, really amazing photo opportunities, and a really good day. And round the corner, I believe there is a little food market which we're going to have a walk to and grab a bite to eat before heading over to the Cat Cafe back towards the centre. So let's go and have a see if we can find some food. So we've made it to the food market, which is just around the corner. I'm going to grab a bite to eat because we're both absolutely starving.
Joy to the world, the Lord is.
So, change of plan. We had to walk around the food market and the food looked and smelled absolutely lush, but it was more like meals and we just want like a little snacky snack. So we're going to head over to the Cat Cafe and have a see there and have a see if they've got little nibbly food, so we can have a little snacky snack.
Just sing in heaven and nature sing in heaven and heaven and nature sing. Joy to the earth, the Savior.
So we finished at the Cat Cafe and it was really cute and the food was nice. The cats were absolutely lovely and it was so chilled and relaxed there. And we're now back at the hotel so that we can charge our phones, warm up a little bit, freshen up before we go ice skating. So we've got a slight change of plan. Everything is now closed. All of the market stalls, the Ferris wheel, the ice skating rink. I don't know whether it's because it's Christmas Eve, but we're going to go find some food and have a couple of drinks.
Could bring tears to my eyes. Don't get me wrong, still enjoy full times. We're gonna sing this song. Look at the snow, it's Christmas. And there's our mistletoe. Among all the gifts and all the Christmas cards, I think of you. Don't forget. I ring a bell for those who have nothing, so lend a helping hand. And if you do the very best you can, it won't be hard.
What you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head is me and you. Pulse speeding, my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna face it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be
going to be the end of this week's video here in Brussels. It's day 2, Christmas Eve, and we've had an amazing time. So I do hope you've enjoyed today's video, and if you have, please like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification button so you don't miss a post. I'm a little bit tipsy right now, but yeah, keep exploring the world one footprint at a time. Until next week, adios.